I was sent this Japanese hair Botox. This is my hair air dried, which is not a very gorgeous look, but I washed my hair with shampoo and now I'm gonna put it in the hair, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then we'll style it. It also comes with gloves, and of course you have your directions. Here is the after for my hair. Way more fuller of volume than normal, which is great. So I will say it did a really good job with that. It's soft, but I wouldn't say it's any softer than when I use a different hair treatment and then just style my hair. One thing is this is really strong. I did use the gloves putting it on, but after I was gonna go sit in our sauna and I couldn't. The eye irritation started immediately, and even when I rinsed it in a hot shower, I noticed my eyes started getting a little bit sensitive to the strength of this. And then when I was straightening my hair, same thing. If there was any steam, my eyes were like, no. So just know it's very, very strong. Make sure you use all the safety precautions, but it does do a great job to give you that Botox for your hair.